All right, what's going on in the world today?
Opinions nowadays are like arseholes. If I wanted to hear them, I would fart.
Okay, then, didn't expect that. All right, then, so opinions are like that. Like, hey, remember when YouTube was like a place where people can just like express themselves creatively? And now we went from like people trying to make like cool content or try to be like weird and different by like posting what they like or expressing themselves via arts. We now get this.
Opinions nowadays are like arseholes. If I
Opinions are like assholes.
wanted to hear them, I would fart.
Yeah, fart noises. That's what it is, actually. Can you imagine if people like, let's say like 500 years ago, where they'd be like, hey, what would people from the future be like? Oh, they'll be like super intelligent, smart, bright. They're very creative people. And then we get this. Yeah, that's what we get, actually.
I can't understand your accent.
Can you imagine if you like brought a time machine from the past? Someone from like, let's say like 1812, and you bring them to nowadays, actually. Of course, they'll get like culture shock, but they definitely wouldn't be thinking of this.
All your comments sound like to me.
You have like people making fart noises online for clout. Yes. This world we live in now is gnarly. I agree with you on that, actually. You go.
Comments on people's social media nowadays should be positive, factual, educational. And I'm not seeing any of that. All I see nowadays is just hate. Just absolute rude and hateful shit out there.
Okay. No one is entitled to like be liked. You know that, right? Like, I don't get this thing that happens from content creators where if you post something, you need to be liked by everybody and anybody. That like if you make something, you gotta be coddled to like no one spread any hate, no anger at all. If somebody is making content that's like this essentially,
Hear them, I would fart.
yeah, no wonder you're not getting any positive comments here. All right, like what do you expect? Oh man, dude, this girl is so brave. She's making fart noises. Let's go. It's so good. It's your fart noises right here. Makes me want to post something educational. Yeah, totally, girl. Let's go at it.
Should be positive,
Positive. I love your fart noises. Yeah, let's go with that.
factual,
It's a fact that like you make shitty noises on the internet for no real good reason.
educational.
Yes, because your fart noises make me want to say something educational. Let's go over that, actually. Do you want to know, like, I don't know, philosophy from, like, Greek culture? Do you want to learn about Roman architecture? Or, you know, I'll just comment on the fact that, like, you make fart noises. And I'll be positive and say that I love that stuff.
And I'm not seeing any of that. All I see nowadays is just hate. Just absolute rude and hateful shit out there.
Well, you're the one making shit noises here, so I'm not really sure where you're getting at. If you make shit content, people will make shit comments. I'm not really sure where you're exactly getting to here.
Like, who hurt you?
I don't know who hurt you. Apparently, the comment section did.
Who hurt you so much you had to go and put hate on some random stranger's page that you don't know? Like, you don't know them, you don't know their situation, you don't know what's going on, you don't bother to read previous comments to get an idea of what the fuck is happening.
What? What? No, like, no. Like, if you watch a video, then the person has the free right to comment whatever they feel like it, actually. Unless you're a bot who's trying to promote something. Like, I don't get this idea that, like, a commentator has to do, like, research in order to, like, make a comment down. I don't get why content creators expect that every person who comments something needs to come from a place of, like, positivity or endearment, though. Or they gotta do research. All right, then like you clearly don't care about the the commenters like backgrounds or what they're going through. So like, why should like we?
You just go straight to hate. Like, Oh, your life must be so miserable.
Okay, now you're just making fun of commenters now, actually. Hey, but you don't understand their background. You don't understand what they comments that they had to do in the past. You don't understand what they go through every day. And now you gotta call them miserable. Alright, let's go. Girl who makes fart noises for some strange weird reason.
Anyway, boring. This isn't even just on my video.
What? What? Wait. Can you go back again, actually? Yeah, she makes a point.
Oh, your life must be so miserable.
And she calls people miserable, okay. And then she like loses like trance over here. Like she forgot what to say. She's thinking about something to say at this moment here. But she can't. So she's pondering it right now. And she can't think of anything to say. So she does this.
Anyway, boring.
Yeah, you're basically saying you're calling yourself boring here. Alright then. But then you like splice in yourself.
This isn't even just on my...
Continue talking again. So like, are you saying that thinking was boring? Is that the implication over here? That like, you wanted to say something, you couldn't think what to say, or you were stuck pondering, and then you like call yourself boring, then you spliced in yourself, going on and continuing the rant over here. Actually, if you saw a video of someone watching paint dry, alright, then you gotta comment something positive. You cannot critique anything at all, actually. Nothing. Like, there's no such thing as bad videos. All videos are good. And if a video is bad, you are not allowed to say that the video is bad or question it or be critical of it, actually. If I see something terrible happening, like some grandma getting run over by a car, like, do not message anything on the comments that's negative at all. Like, if you see one of those, like, ne'er-do-well, like, people being menaces to society, doing terrible prank videos, or, like, causing problems to public people for no real good reason, but just a clout chase, or if you see someone trying to be a crypto scammer online, or if you see someone lying, like, do not comment anything negative. Okay? If you see someone making shit content, i.e., someone making fart noises, and expecting to be liked because you make fart noises, like, you're not allowed to have any critiques. Shut up and just be positive. Sure.
Just scroll on. Move on with your own life.
No, I want to let people know that you suck. That's what I want to do, actually. If I see something terrible, or if I eat something terrible, or something bad happens, I gotta let people know that it sucks. If I go to a restaurant and they serve me the wrong food, I'm not just gonna move on and eat it. I'm gonna say that the food was wrong. If I see something bad happening right now, I gotta comment down on it, though. I gotta express myself. This is the internet. If you are allowed to express yourself in a stupid way, like making fart noises or be stuck in traffic mentally, I am allowed to comment on that. If you're free to express yourself, I can express myself as well.
Why are you such a busybody?
What again?
Why are you such a busybody?
A bitty body. I don't know what that means, actually, but I should use that, actually. You're being a real bitty body now.
Get out of the business.
Get out of the business? What?
Body. Get out of the business.
The business of what? I'm so confused. What does it mean to be a bitty body, and what business are we into? Is like making YouTube comments, or like making TikTok comments, or just saying anything at all where you're critiquing something or someone, or just saying something kind of mean? That's a business, apparently. Alright, sure. We're in the bitty potty business, apparently.
Get out of the business that's not yours.
Get out of other people's business is what they're saying, actually. But they're not, though. I don't get what you mean. Don't get involved yourself in other people's business. You put yourself out there. What are you saying here? If you don't want them, then don't put yourself out there. It's very easy to live a very private life. I'm just saying. The reason I look like this is because I don't want people to know who I am in real life or interact with me in real life. I live a very private life, okay? Then I don't want people to know my friends and family or where I am at, though, in specific times. People have been stalked in real life through doing this, actually, where there's been cases of like women will post themselves eating somewhere, and then a stalker, because they saw that post, will just go and follow them there, right? It's very easy to live a private life. That if you're making your life, your public life out there, like then it becomes everyone's business at that point, actually. Then
your fingers work. You scrolled onto my video, so we know you can scroll. fucking scrolling.
Okay, then see you, lady. All right, then sure. I'm not gonna like your thing at all. All right, let's go.